Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to batch create social media posts using Canva Bulk Create. To batch create social media posts using Canva's Bulk Create feature, you need to prepare a data source like a CSV or manual table. You can do that easily by using ChatGPT. You can tell ChatGPT here, for example, give me CSV file with 30 quotes with author name and make sure file is downloadable. And you can just go ahead and download the CSV file on your phone. Next, go to Canva, right? And below you're gonna see tools here. Press apps. Inside apps, scroll a little bit down to find create bulk or bulk create button. In order to access bulk create, you need to try or upgrade to a business plan so you can create batch content. Once you hit try business for 14 days, you're gonna upload obviously your CSV file from your phone, right? And you can go ahead and add to your design, right? Who's the author? What's the content by right clicking your mouse, right? So if you already have a quote here on your screen, you're gonna add data like who's the author, who's the owner, what's the content. You're gonna continue obviously to add the 30 quotes, for example, made by the author, right? Automatically. So you don't need to manually create design because Canva will do that for you. So unfortunately, I cannot upgrade right now, but if you do, the process is very easy. You're gonna see everything right in your screen, right? All you gotta do is just follow the on-screen instructions to add the author and the owner, basically, in the title, etc. if you have more than that, and proceed to create the 30 quotes automatically using Canva. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps. See you in the next one.